Hey everyone, welcome to the Velos channel. Today I'll show you several ways you can earn Steam points. The first and most obvious way is buying games. Yeah, you can find a game that's on sale and purchase it. And when you buy it, right here you'll see continue to checkout. Here it'll show you how many Steam points you'll earn. The second method is going to your profile. And here we have, you can send gifts here. So to send gifts, you can create something cool in the workshop. To do this, go to Community, then Workshop. Maybe you're creating content for certain games, right? And you can get donations that way. For example, if I go into, let's say CS, yeah, you'll definitely find something. These could be helpful guides or mods. So people can gift you various items. Well, let me go to my library, open up a game like Counter-Strike. Go to the community hub. Here we have the workshop. And then go to any map. Right here, for example, I'll go to this one. See, there are gifts here. Right here. You can click the gift and give it to someone. You can gift yourself points from another account. Until recently, you could buy Steam points, but now you can't anymore. I wouldn't recommend third-party apps, because you might get scammed. Overall, these two methods are the easiest. In the profile as well, you could gift before. Now, I don't see a button here to gift anything, so just these two methods, that's it. This was Velours, and subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.